How to create a Juwa store account. This video is designed to help our agents and distributors maximize their profits. Log into your Subdistributor account by visiting https://ht.wa777.com admin list. Click on admin list in the sidebar, then select create. Enter the required details. Agent name, used to search for an account in the system. Login account, used to log in. Ensure the agent name and login account are different. Enter the required details. The contact number can be 1 or any value. All other settings remain default. To recharge an account, click Editor, then Recharge. Enter the amount and confirms. To redeem or remove balance, click Editor, enter the amount, and then click Redeem. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share this video.